See here in the question given, a manufacturer produce nuts and bolts. 2 atoms manufacturer is producing. It take 1 hour of work on machine A and 3 hours on machine B to produce a package of nuts. So 2 atoms are there, nuts and bolt. So we will consider, let the manufacturer produce X nut and Y bolt. Then 2 machines are given, machine A and machine B. So for machine A it will take 1 hour, for machine B it will take 3 hours. If it takes 3 hours on machine A.
हॅलो मॅडम.
Hello?
माझं 11-15 लेक्चर आहे, मग ते ऍडजस्ट करायला सांगितलंय का?
हो.
बरं बरं, मग तेच म्हणलं विचारलं आधी.
माझा पिरियड सुरू आहे सर.
ओके ओके.
It takes 3 hours on machine A and 1 hour on machine B for a bolt. So bolt is given by Y, so 3Y and 1Y we have written. Then they are earning the profit of 17.50 for package of nuts and ₹7 for bolts. How much package of each should be produced a day so that it will give a maximum profit? So here total profit is given Z and maximize, and given also if you operate the machine at 12 hours at the most means less than equal to. So that is why from the given we have framed this as a maximize having this much profit subject to the constant x plus 3y less than equal to 12, 3x plus y less than equal to 12, and then we have drawn the graph plotting the points x plus 3y 0, putting x equal to 0, y will 4, putting x equal to 12, y will be 0. Then put 0 0 in this, we will get 0 is less than 12, so half of the plane is towards the origin. Then for a second graph, 3x plus y less than equal to 0, put in x equal to 4, y is 0, for x equal to 0, y is 12, putting 0 0 here, so again 0 is less than 12, which is true, so both the graphs are towards the origin. Now we have to plot the graph, find the corner point, and then we will solve further. So after getting the table there, then we will plot the graph. We will get the lines like this. So both the half planes are towards origin, so this will be the shaded portion. If you mark the corner point, here is O is 0 0, this and this. If you draw perpendicular, this is having 3 3. So now on solving again these two equations, we are getting the value here. We will make here is 3y and y, so multiplied by 3 and getting x as 3, y as 3. Now corner points all we got, value of z is also there, putting all the values of x and y. Further solving, we are getting here maximum profit of 73.50. So which is a maximum here. So the answer we write, the maximum value of z is 73.50 at the point 33. That means 3 packets of nut and 3 bolt packet we should be produced daily, so that we will get a profit of 73.50. So this is how you have to solve this problem.